Did you know that muscle and joint pain may overlap, but they can have different causes and treatment approaches? Muscle and joint pain can accompany swelling, stiffness, reduced mobility, and other symptoms. Are stiff, achy joints and muscle pain holding you back from living your best life? Imagine waking up in the morning with less pain and feeling a wonderful freedom of movement, all with the help of just one simple drink. Yes, today I'm going to share with you a powerful anti-inflammatory drink that is naturally going to reduce inflammation, lessen your pain, and significantly improve the mobility of your body. Joint pain can result from different factors, like aging, injury, increasing weight, a chronic condition, and more. While some of these factors might require you to consult a doctor and get prescribed medications to experience relief, that's not always the case. More often than not, joint pain can be relieved, or at least reduced, with topical application of pain-relieving products. However, the real question is, which is the best topical ointment to target this type of pain? So, stick around until the very end, because you'll want to know exactly how to make this drink so you can truly improve your joint and muscle pain. Joint pain and muscle pain affect millions of people worldwide, whether it's arthritis, general inflammation, daily wear and tear, or even lingering effects from old injuries. Living with this constant pain day in and day out can be incredibly difficult. The problem is that many common painkiller medications come with several side effects, and for a lot of people, these medications are simply not tolerable. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple, one-glass recipe that you can consume daily. It won't have the harsh side effects of medications, and it will naturally improve your pain and inflammation levels. So, let's get started. First, I'm going to list all the ingredients and explain exactly how each one contributes to reducing inflammation and pain. Then, I'll tell you precisely how to prepare this drink and how to consume it to get the best results for your pain levels. The powerful ingredients for pain relief: 1. Matcha green tea, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. The first ingredient in this drink is matcha green tea. Matcha is incredibly rich in different types of antioxidants and is a very powerful anti-inflammatory substance. The most potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound in matcha tea is EGCG epigallocatechin gallate. Studies have shown that EGCG can actually inhibit TNF-alpha and IL-6. These are two major pro-inflammatory compounds, essentially chemical messengers that cause excessive inflammation throughout your body. By acting on these specific compounds, matcha significantly lowers inflammation levels, especially in your joints and muscles, which can naturally and powerfully improve your pain. It's like having a natural internal firefighter for your body's inflammatory responses. 2. Chia seeds, the omega-3 joint lubricator. The second ingredient on our list is chia seeds. Chia seeds are incredibly high in a compound called ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, which is a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Recent studies have demonstrated that this ALA possesses very strong anti-inflammatory properties. Beyond reducing inflammation, it also actively supports joint lubrication. By doing these two things, fighting inflammation and promoting joint lubrication, chia seeds can significantly improve the pain levels in your body, allowing for smoother, more comfortable movement. It's very important to use only pre-soaked chia seeds, ideally soaked overnight, for this drink. Otherwise, chia seeds can be high in lectins, which in some people can actually make inflammation worse. So planning ahead with soaking is key. 3. Cinnamon, the muscle and joint calmer. The third ingredient on this list is cinnamon. Cinnamon contains a compound called cinnamaldehyde, as well as other beneficial polyphenols. These compounds have powerful anti-inflammatory properties, specifically effective at reducing inflammation in muscle areas and joint areas. By soothing this inflammation, Cinnamon also directly helps improve pain levels. Cinnamon particularly works by suppressing an inflammatory molecule called nitric oxide. By reducing the activity of this molecule, it effectively helps to improve the pain you feel in your body. It's a gentle, yet potent addition to your anti-pain arsenal. 4. Cloves, nature's anti-pain secret. The fourth ingredient is cloves. Cloves are very high in a compound called eugenol. This compound has potent anti-inflammatory and also analgesic, pain-relieving properties. In fact, eugenol in cloves actually blocks an enzyme called COX-2. This is the same enzyme that NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, like ibuprofen, work on. So, that's why cloves are like your natural ibuprofen, helping to reduce inflammation and pain levels in your body without the side effects often associated with pharmaceutical options. 5. Apple cider vinegar. Gut and systemic inflammation. Reducer. The next ingredient on this list is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains something called acetic acid, which has been shown to help reduce systemic inflammation throughout your body. Additionally, it helps reduce inflammation in your gut by supporting a healthy gut environment and promoting proper digestion. A healthy gut is foundational for reducing overall inflammation, so this ingredient tackles pain from a core perspective. 6. Wildflower. Honey. The sweet anti-inflammatory. The last ingredient here is wildflower honey. Honey contains beneficial compounds called flavonoids and phenolic acids. These compounds have very high anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. That's why we are specifically using wildflower honey in this recipe. It brings not just sweetness, but also powerful health benefits to the drink. So, now you understand exactly how each of these various ingredients works to lower inflammation and improve pain levels in your body. How to prepare and consume your anti-inflammatory drink. Now, let's talk about how to make this drink perfectly and how to consume it for maximum benefit. To make this drink, you'll need 1 cup of warm water. Heat 1 cup of water, but remember, we don't want to boil the water. We just want it warm. After warming the water, add 1 teaspoon of matcha powder and stir it really well. It might take a little time for the matcha powder to fully dissolve and mix into the water. Next, add half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to the drink. Then, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds that have been soaked overnight into the mixture. This step is crucial for optimal benefits and digestibility. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And then, add half a teaspoon of ground cloves. If you don't have ground cloves, you can easily grind whole cloves in a spice grinder. Finally, add half a teaspoon of honey. Stir this drink really well, making sure all the ingredients are fully combined. Let it sit for 3 or 4 minutes. This allows all the ingredients and their antioxidant compounds to work together and release their benefits into the drink. After that, you can slowly sip this drink. The best time to have this drink is either late morning or in the evening time, depending on when you experience the highest amount of pain and inflammation in your body. Now, this drink has a very earthy and a slightly tangy flavor. It might take a little getting used to at first, but you will adjust to it after consuming it for a while. The benefits truly outweigh the unique taste. Boosting your joint health. Beyond the drink. Of course, alongside this powerful drink, if you incorporate certain other healthy practices, you will see even better results for your joint health. The first thing is to support your joints with gentle exercise. In this regard, yoga is really excellent because it's gentle on your joints, helps make your muscles stronger around those joints, and actively supports overall joint health and flexibility. So, adding a gentle yoga routine to this regimen would be very beneficial. Along with that, make sure you are following an anti-inflammatory diet, where you're regularly consuming foods that are known to reduce inflammation in the body. If you want to know more about this diet, you can check out our channel, And I will also put a link in the description about a comprehensive anti-inflammatory diet plan you can follow. When you combine these simple lifestyle changes with this incredible drink, you will get dramatic results. You should see a major difference in your pain levels, as well as the inflammation levels in your body within just 2 to 3 weeks. So, there you have it. A simple, one-glass recipe that you can drink daily that will naturally improve your inflammation levels and significantly reduce your pain. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel so you continue to get this kind of great information in the future. Also, please share this video with other people who can benefit from this valuable information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.